I'm really very happy to be here in the company of the senior officials from State Bank of Hyderabad, starting with their Managing Director, Mr. Bhagwant Rao, Mr. Jyoti Ghosh, CGM, Dr. Suresh Babu, CGM, Mr. Javanda, General Manager Retail, Mr. Shivaram, General Manager Mid Corporate Group, and Mr. Subramanian, GM Treasury and Personal Banking. I am also very happy that my colleagues here, Mr. Sethuraman, has done a commendable job of procuring 100 customers and also take up with the State Bank of Hyderabad, who are a close to 70 plus years organization in this part of the state. See, TVS is very well known in South as a 103-year-old organization. Our tradition goes back to 103 years. This organization was started by T.V. Sundaram Iyengar in the year 1911 in the temple town of Madurai. And today, this organization has grown to such a level where we are present in two-wheelers and we entered the three-wheelers in 2008. Today, we have a wide range of three-wheelers starting from petrol, LNG, CNG, as well as diesel, which we have recently launched. That also will be coming to the state of Andhra Pradesh very shortly. We are very, very happy to be associated with an organization like State Bank of Hyderabad, who were kind enough to consider our first 100 customers in this batch and give them loan so that their life prospers. At the same time, the State Bank also benefits in the whole process. Here, let me tell you, this working with the PSU Bank is a special thing which TVS brought to this particular industry, where our competition has had only private financiers who are lending the purchase of three-wheelers. We were the first in the industry to bring in PSU banks to lend the retail customers for the simple reason that it gives them significant advantage in cost of acquisition. Let me tell you, when you acquire a three-wheeler through a private financier, your cost will be higher by almost 60 times more. We are cheaper by almost 40%. That's the way it is. In other words, month after month, the person who is going to buy an auto, with the collaboration of TVS and public sector bank, he is going to gain in terms of EMIs, monthly what they pay to the bank. Herein, I would only insist on every one of you to be very, very diligent about this repayment to the bank, because this is the first experience you have with a bank. You have taken a bank who trusts you and give you a loan, and how regular and how diligent you are in repaying that loan is going to improve your respect in the eyes of the bank. The bank is going to respect you more. Next time you go for next requirement, either a housing or some other personal loan or private loan for you, the bank is going to give you complete support. The bank's experience with you in this retail loan, he is going to decide your future borrowing from this bank and your own prosperity. Here, I am not very familiar with Telugu or that fluent in Hindi, so I would request our face of TVS in Hyderabad, Kiran TVS, to translate this to you. And here, I would only insist that you please ensure that you do your business well and repay your loan in time. That is what is going to improve your respectability in the society, your respectability in the eyes of the bank, and bank is going to come and more to your support in future. I will also tell you a few words about the special features our product has. As I told you, we are present in every segment. We are into petrol, CNG, LPG, and very shortly we'll also be launching a diesel product in Andhra Pradesh. And we have the experience of owning a three-wheeler will be something like a car on three wheels. That's the experience you will feel. We have made it as comfortable, as excellent features for you and your customers. And really, as the name goes, as it is named King, you will feel that you are a king on the road. That is, and you should also be a king as you go along. That is what I expect all of you. I wish you. We have a 100% product support. We have a service, 24/7 service available here, and everything will be extended to you. And our face in Hyderabad, Mr. Rajesh Danda, is a person who will completely support you with our product. With these few words, I wish our customers all the best and happy owning and happy experience.